Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I created this manicure using dip powders. So here are the powders that I will be using today, and these are from Revel nail, and the first one is in the shade Defy, and this is a very dark, solid, dusty purple, and it's almost brown. Next is in the shade Legacy, and this is a mix of gold glitter in a nude base. And for the liquids, I will be using my Revel Nail Pro Base as well as the Activator. And for my top coat, I will be using my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat. So to start off, I will be applying nail dehydrator on all of my nails. This will just remove the natural oil on my nails. Next, I move on to my UNT Peel Off Base, and I will be applying this on all of my nails. This will just allow me for easy pop-off removal of my manicure. But obviously, you don't need to apply this on your nails if you want your manicure to last. Next, I move on to my dip powder application, which is applying a thin layer of the base on my nail and then immediately dip my nail into the powder and then top off the excess. So as always, I will be applying one layer of clear on all of my nails to build up the thickness of my nails. Then once I'm finished with one layer of clear, I brush up all the excess powder and then I move on to my colored powders. So first, I will be applying the shade Defy on my pointy, pinky, and thumb. And I will be applying 2 coats of this shade. This shade is very dark and pigmented, so you don't really need to apply multiple layers. And also, I just want to mention that the powders that I am going to use today are from Revel Nail Girl Boss collection. I believe they have 5 shades on their Girl Boss collection, but I only have 2 of them. So once I'm finished with Defy, I move on to my next powder, which is Legacy, and I will be applying this on my middle and ring nail. And again, I will be applying 2 coats of this shade. This powder I really like. It's very easy to work with and it's just a really gorgeous color. So once I'm finished with all my colored powders, I went back with my clear to encapsulate my nails. This step is optional, but I highly recommend you do this just because it will protect your color underneath from filing and buffing. So once I'm finished encapsulating my nails, again I brush up all the excess powder and then I move on to my activator. So I apply generous amount of the activator on all of my nails. This will harden up the powder and make it ready for filing. So then after a few minutes, I file and buff off camera and then I brush up all the dust. And then I clean my nails with alcohol spray. You can always wash your hands if you want to. Then next I move on to my Blue Sky No Wipe Top Coat, and I will be applying 2 coats of this on all of my nails and cure it for 30 seconds. This step is optional. You can always use your dip powder top coat if you want to. So then once my nails are cured, I apply cuticle oil. And we are done. That's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next one.